If you want to know some mistakes that you might be making and how to fix them, then this video is for you. Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to go over 3 big detailing mistakes that all beginners make, and how to fix them. Jumping right in. The first mistake you might be making is forgetting to double check your work. While it may sound simple, it is very easy to miss a spot or not realize that something new has been added. You could easily be walking by the vehicle and end up rubbing a dirty towel on it without noticing. Or if you pull the vehicle outside, or if you're already working outside, the weather could also leave you with things like pollen or leaves on the vehicle that you may not have realized until you took that second look. It's much easier and safer to just go back and double check your work, even if it feels redundant, because you never know. The second mistake is not keeping up with the newest detailing products and trends. The community is often discovering new methods in all aspects of detailing and making advancements chemically. So it's easy to fall behind and not be using the latest and greatest products that could help your business's overall success, whether that's through better time management or a vehicle's final results in general. So the best thing to do is to join Facebook groups, to watch YouTube videos. Whatever you can do to stay updated is your best bet. On a similar note, the last big mistake you might be making is buying too many products because you're trying to stay caught up. It's easy to be tricked by clever marketing into thinking that a product has an amazing updated formula or a new ability when really minor things have been tweaked, or it's just simple rebranding. You'll want to make sure you're not stocking up on the same product just because one claims to be improved and better than the other. You should only be upgrading when you're out of chemicals, or there's a clear and proven difference between products that will help you and your business. And there you have it. 3 big detailing mistakes all beginners make. Let me know if this video helped you, and if you have any thoughts of your own, comment them below because I'd love to hear them. And that's that. See ya.